Hello guys. Yeah, you see I have another video passing down. My third video night, that's episode 1. I doped it up last time I tried to do this, but yeah, that's episode 1. So I'm gonna try to film 3 of these tonight. I mean, that's just saying that. But anyway, let's get into Booleans. So, Booleans are a true or false statement. So let's write the statement like it says. I'm coding like a champ. Okay, awesome. Let's find the length. Now, what we want to know is this greater than greater than sign, less than sign, is this greater than 10? So it's saying, okay, the length of that is taking the length of this statement, I'm coding like a champ, and it's asking, is this length greater than 10? And it will tell us right here that it is true, that is greater than 10. So you may have noticed that blah blah blah. Please print the following to console. Console, I mean, when I do it in Eclipse, it's a lot different than it's different than this. You just kind of have to get used to both ways. Like in the first episode, I did console.out.print log. Or you could, I've never tried doing it like this, but I wonder if you can. It just wants you to do console.log. It's saying console. Okay, it's saying to the console. Okay, full stop. I want you to log, which means I want you to put it here where this true is. I want you to put the answer to 2 times excuse me, console.log. And then what else we can do is console.log. We know that means okay console, full stop. I want you to I want you to log 2 times 5. It'll give us the answer where the true is. I just touched my screen to show you. I don't know why you can't see my screen. And then I want you to say hello. And here is where it gets important to use quotation marks. Because within this, if we don't have quotation marks, if we just say hello, if we just say hello, it's going to be like, what do you mean hello? What do you want me to do with it? It's not a string, but it's not an integer. So we want, what the frick did I press? We want to just say, wow, I'm struggling. Hello. Okay, can't forget to put the semicolons there. Submit. 10, hello. Here's an example of using greater than. So console.log, blah, 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 blah. So, I mean, value is to true, so true is printed because 15 is greater. So, these are comments, they're not going to be shown once again. So we have to fill this in. Is the length, well, no, it is less than, so we put the less than sign. That's greater than this inside. It's looking what's only inside the parentheses. So is this greater than 8? Yes. Is this greater than 122? No, it's less than. We put the less than sign. And that's going to equal the exact same thing. So here's what we want to do. Equal is 3 equals. If you're saying someone equal, that's saying you're making something equal, like new integer equals 7. And if I ever do a game saves program, that's going to be important. And all these are true. So if then statements, let me explain these. So if, you know what, we're just going to erase this whole thing. Yeah, let's erase this whole thing. So let's then say if, and in the parentheses, we need the parentheses here to say if what? If what? So let's just do this. 10 times 1 is equal to 10. I was reading the instructions for a second. 10 equal to 20. Then, and we're going to need these little Achilles brackets, I think is what they're called here. So, if this is equal, so if 10 times 1 is equal to 20, inside these brackets, we're going to say, we want you to say dot log. We want it to say this statement is true. I think the video's done processing, but we're about to find out. So, if 10 times 1 equals 20, which it does not, console, we wanted to say this statement is true. So, this statement isn't true, so what then? Well, if think that's all it wants us to do. Let me see if that all it wants us to do, because I think that's gonna interest in then. Yeah. Okay. Now it's gonna if else. Why did I say then? Okay. Um if okay. So what does it want us to do? Does it want us to down? Okay, it wants us to make this false. So we do if 10 times 1 equals 3 equal signs 20. It doesn't. So it's gonna skip this entire thing. If 10 equal times 1 equals 20. Okay, it doesn't equal, the computer's saying, okay, let me start over. If 10 times 1 equals 20, the computer's saying, okay, no, that doesn't work. It's gonna skip this because 10 times 1 does not equal 20. And what you wanted to, if it was equal, it would do what's in these brackets. These brackets, inside these brackets, are what's going to happen if it is equal. So, if else, if this doesn't work, else, we're going to go here, and inside these brackets, we're going to say what we want. We're going to say console.log this statement is false, because it is. 10 times 1 does not equal 20. And then we just need a semicolon, and bam. I hope you guys understand this. If you need me to go into further depth on these if-else statements, booleans, anything else, just go to the comment section down below, and I'll tell me, hey, Dusty, I need you to explain booleans. Then I'll make a video explaining booleans. So yeah, thanks for watching.